Did an hour of burn-in at about 260 degrees. And then we lit it up a little hotter. Threw on some whole chicken wings. And we're seeing about when we really crank it up, about 290 on the right side and about 275 on the left side. So 15 degree swipe across the board, which I'm pretty happy with. We might try and tweak that a little bit with that baffle plate. But we are almost 2 hours in. About an hour and 40 minutes, 45 minutes I should say, into these whole wings, and I think they're done. And we did them at about 245 on the left side, which means we were probably about 260-ish on the right side. And we did that for 45 minutes, and we kicked it up a little bit. And now we backed it back down because we're running down low on coals. I used 2 chimneys of Kingsford. Hiding in the garage. Hey, it was on a Father's Day special. 2 bags for $9. So we did that for the burn-in and for this cook. And I've added about 7 pieces, little chunks of apple, and 1 log of hickory, which was a real small log. So, you know, these are small chunks of apple, and then I put in a piece of hickory that was probably a third of that. And that's all we've run for this whole time. And we're 3 hours, a little over 3 hours into it. So this thing isn't using hardly anything. My biggest concern is half the time I gotta open the door. I can't get enough draft. We put plates around the door, as you've seen in the first video. But I can't get enough draft. So like I was saying, I wanted to move this pin. I think we're going to do that because half the time I'm opening up the door to get a little more draft into it. Especially when I add wood. I got the stack almost completely open. Most of the time it is fully open if I really want to get some heat. But we'll see. Everything looks pretty good. We'll find out here shortly how they taste. Later.